everyone, welcome back to this Out of Fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely kaftan with two front pockets, and it also have an adjustable rope at the side, as you can see. So this is the fabric I'm using. I'm making use of 1 yard of the black fabric, and I'm making use of 2.5 yards of the crepe fabric, the flower crepe fabric. So the first thing is to fold it into 2, then into 4. So this is the folding of the fabric into 2 first, then I'll now fold it into 4. Normally, because of the adjustable rope at the 2 sides of the style, we must make the length of our fabric, as in length of the particular dress you are making, you must make it more longer, maybe with 10 inches or 15 inches longer than the original length, so that by the time you adjust the rope at the 2 sides of the kaftan, you will end up having the exact full length that you need. So you can see now. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to take the length of the sleeve, which I'll be taking now. I'm making use of 17 inches for the sleeve length. Then the full length here, I'm having 59 inches. 59 inches. As you can see, this is 59 inches. Then I'm going to add 11 inches of a plain black fabric to it to give me 70 inches. You understand? We're going to cut it at the side, at this down part here. I'm cutting it, then I will add the 11 inches of plain fabric to it. And that plain we're using for the pocket as well. So just to make a design around the kaftan. So the next thing here is to take the neckline, and the neckline here is a canoe neckline. That means it's going to be wide, but it's not going to be deep. You understand? So the wideness we're using here is going to be 4.5 inches. This is not constant. It depends on how wide you want your canoe neck to be. Then the deepness I'm using for the back here is going to be 1.5 inches. Then I'm still going to dip the front neckline maybe with just 1 inch, making 2.5 inches for the front, while the back will remain 1.5 inches for the deepness. Then I cannot cut it out now. As you can see, so the next thing we're going to do here is going to be from here. Then I'm going to copy it to the wideness of what I folded out. You know, what I folded out was 2.5 yards of this fabric, but the length is 17 inches for the sleeve. Then from that length, we're going to copy it to the wideness of what I folded out. So the whole wideness of this now is what I'm using for the body. So you can see. So let me now go ahead now and go and cuff it, because you have to cuff it from the 17 inches rather, to the side of the kaftan like this. You can as well take the shoulder slant. Then from the shoulder slant, we slant it all to the center of both back and front. After the neckline, you can see, before the neckline rather, you can see. So I'm trying to connect them, so I'll now cut it out now. You can see from here, you can now cuff it like this. So let me cut that out with my scissors, and you're going to see how it's going to turn out. So I can as well do it down before the scissors, but by the time I'm cutting it, it's going to be more clear than this. So let me now cut it out. You can see when I get to the sleeve length, then I cuff it like this. Then you can now divide the folded part at the side. After that, you can take the roundness of the sleeve, which I'll be making use of 7 inches. I just want to notch it down. That's the opening of the sleeve. I'm making use of 7 inches. I'll just notch it out like that. As you can see, When we now get to the down part here, we can now cuff it. Like I took 4 inches up, then I cut just to have a round shape at the down part. From that edge I took 4 inches up, then I'll cuff it now. So now you are going to see the 4 inches up now. So this is the center of both back and front, and I'm going to the side. This is the side. You can see that's just 4 inches up to give us that round shape at the down part of the kaftan. Then I'm trying to cut the folded part of the side. You know, when you fold out a fabric into four, you're going to have one side fold and the other side open. So that's what I'm trying to divide now. So I took some inches from the down up to 14 inches, and I cut it at that side. So I want to divide that area into two. So that is the area we're going to insert our 11 inches plain fabric to. You understand? So let me cut it out. Then I'm going to show you the 11 inches fabric, the black 11 inches wideness. We're going to place. We're not replacing. We're going to join it in between what we cut out. You understand? So this is how it's going to be. This is what I cut out. This is my black. You can see this is the 11 inches black. So we're going to join them together, then join the remaining flower fabric to it. You can see. Then you can see this other one too. We join it. So it will now be, the black will now be at the middle. Yes, this is how it's going to look like. By the time I join it, you're going to see how beautiful this is going to turn out. Just to increase the length, in case we are not going to make use of 3.5 yard or 4 yard of any fabric of our choice. So this is the fabric I'm using for the pocket as well. This is folded into two, as you can see, then into 4. You can use any wideness of your choice. This is not constant. It depends on how wide you want the pockets to be. So this is the length I'm using. I'm using length 8 inches, and the wideness I'm using is 4 inches. This is with the same allowance, 4.5. Then I'll now cuff it like this. You can see that I'm cuffing it to the length of the pocket like this. Then I can now cut it out like that. You can see. Here is after cutting it out. You can see the shape of the pocket. Then I have 3 inches of straight cut that I cut out, which I want to use to make a pleat around the pocket the way it is on the thumbnail. Then by the time I fold my 3 inches into 2, I'll be left with 1.5 inches. The 0.5 inches is going for the same allowance. Then the half inch, the 1 inch is going for the pleat. So you can see. So this is how I'm going to do that. Then place it around the pocket. Let me go and do that and show it to you. This is the pleat. You can see the way I'm trying to take the pleat little by little. You can make it a gathers, you can make it a small pleat. It depends on how you want it to be. But here I'm not making use of gathers here. I'm just making small plates one after the other. So I'm done with the pleats. I'm just taking the measurement of where I want to insert my pocket, as in I want to place my pocket. So I took a measurement of 18 inches, and that is my center. You can see the 18 inches have not joined the shoulder. That's why as soon as you join the shoulder, that means it's going to be 17 inches. The distance of the pocket, I want to make it 10 inches. That means 5 inches from this side, 5 inches from the other side. I know it's 18 inches from up, so I'm placing it on that point. You can see, so I want to pin it down, so I'm doing that for both pockets now. So I've pinned down the two pockets. You can see the first one, and you can see the second one here. So the next thing here is go and stitch it down, then join everything together. Welcome back. Yeah, the finished work so far. This is after joining them together. You can see the shoulder, you can see the neckline, this is the pocket. You can see how beautiful the pocket is. So this is the other pocket too. This is the neckline, the Kano neckline. This is the other pocket. You can see how beautiful this turns out. And here is the plain we added to the length. You can see how it is. This is the side, the drap side. Is it a drap side or an adjustable side of the kaftan? You can see how beautiful this turns out. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.